Exercise 1. 1 dumbbell standing Svend press. Targets chest muscles by keeping constant tension as you press the dumbbell forward. Squeeze the plates together with palms to activate inner chest fibers more intensely. Maintain elbows slightly bent and shoulders stable to avoid deltoid takeover. Perform slow, controlled presses to maximize pectoral engagement throughout the set. Exercise 2. 1 dumbbell kneeling press upwards. Work shoulders, especially the front delts, with added core activation from the kneeling stance. Keep torso upright and avoid leaning back to prevent lower back strain. Press the dumbbell directly upward for maximum shoulder recruitment. Squeeze at the top and control the lowering phase for optimal muscle tension. Exercise 3. 1 dumbbell straight arm pullover. Engages chest, lats, and serratus with a deep stretch at the bottom. Keep arms straight but not locked to focus tension on targeted muscles. Lower slowly for maximum stretch and lift with controlled power. Avoid bending elbows too much, which can shift focus to triceps instead of chest and lats. Exercise 4. 1 dumbbell single leg calf raise. Targets the gastrocnemius for calf size and definition. Standing on one leg increases load per calf and improves balance. Press through the ball of your foot for maximum contraction at the top. Lower slowly to feel the stretch in the muscle. Maintain steady posture to prevent losing tension during the movement. Exercise 5. Dumbbell One Arm reverse wrist curl. Works the forearm extensors for improved grip balance and wrist strength. Hold dumbbell with palm facing down, moving only at the wrist to avoid arm involvement. Use a light weight to maintain control and isolate the muscle. Squeeze at the top and lower slowly to maximize time under tension. Exercise 6. 1 dumbbell close grip press. Focuses on triceps and inner chest by keeping elbows close to the body. Press the dumbbell upward while maintaining constant tension in the triceps. Squeeze at the top to fully contract the target muscles. Avoid flaring elbows to keep pressure away from shoulders. Slow lowering maximizes time under tension for better results. Exercise 7. 1 dumbbell V-up. Engages the entire core, especially upper and lower abs, with added resistance. Keep legs straight and lift both torso and legs toward the dumbbell. Squeeze abs hard at the top to maximize engagement. Avoid swinging for momentum to ensure the abs do the work. Maintain controlled breathing to stabilize the movement. Exercise 8. 1 dumbbell waiter. Biceps curl. Targets the biceps with a vertical plate grip, emphasizing constant tension. Keep elbows tucked to your sides and curl slowly to isolate the muscle. Avoid wrist bending to maintain direct biceps activation. Squeeze at the top and lower under full control for maximum fiber recruitment. Exercise 9. Dumbbell One Arm Shrug. Works the upper traps for shoulder stability and size. Hold the dumbbell at your side and lift your shoulders straight up without rolling. Squeeze hard at the top for peak contraction. Avoid leaning to keep the trap fully engaged. Perform with control to prevent momentum from reducing muscle activation. Exercise 10. Dumbbell Goblet Squat. Primarily targets quads, glutes, and core, while also engaging upper back. Hold the dumbbell close to your chest to keep the torso upright. Push through heels to activate glutes and quads equally. Keep knees tracking over toes for safe alignment. Control both the descent and ascent for maximum muscle work.